So hi guys, so in today's video I'm right here at the beautiful school of hygiene in Bali, and I'm going to give you a tour guys, how we've established for them very beautiful backyard gardens for vegetables. And yeah, this is the video, you should stick around and watch. Let's move around guys. As you can see, good things are coming on your screen. Please subscribe, like the video. I'm going to turn my camera and I show you good things that are in this school, as you can see. So right here is in front of the administration building. As you can see, we try to keep it beautiful. We tried our best to keep it clean. Yeah, so we used buckets, car tires, abandoned like bookshelves. We just had to improve on the things that we found in the store, and we turned them into this beautiful kitchen garden. So let me move you around. As you can see, we planted different plants, like we did tomatoes, spring onions, collards, eggplants. We have lettuce. As you can see, we have that one, those beautiful looking like flowers. Yeah, they're edible, but still they look so beautiful. This could be also in your compound, you know. Keep watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, and yeah, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted every time a new video comes on the channel. So keep watching. Let me take you slowly as you watch the beautiful garden around the school. And guys, some of the plants, we put them on the rooftop, or you can see they look so cute. These are beautiful collards and spinach, and yeah, just look at the view guys. And so we don't only use car tires, you know, we also use cement bags, polythene bags. So in this case, we use cement bags, and we planted tomatoes and spinach. Yeah, this is in front of the administration block guys. As you can see, it is in their backyard where they park some of their vehicles. But yeah, it's still looking neat. It's looking beautiful. Trust me, everyone who comes here wants to take photos from this place. Oh, so you can do this right in your garden, in your compound. And we also try to do favorite colors. So we looked around, and we wanted to do something beautiful for the school and something they could benefit from as school. So these are beautiful colors, blended with lettuce and eggplants and tomatoes. And the things are really nice, guys. I don't even have to shout. You can be able to tell, from this video. So if you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing. I told you guys, we are here to inspire you. Do something within your compound that you can, use in your kitchen. You can save money. You can also have healthy, vegetables. A lot of things are going on in the market, contaminated greens. So we are here to inspire you guys that you can do your dream kitchen garden even in your backyard. It still looks beautiful, just like you see here. So someone there in the video, that's my friend, and she's called Martha. We work together in establishing these gardens, and yeah, she's very beautiful woman and very talented, someone you'd want to meet in life. And yeah, she's here with me, and she's trying also to do some pruning and removing of weeds. So guys, trust us with your gardens, with your backyards. We can transform them into beautiful kitchen gardens that you will always eat things and always look beautiful and unique in your own way. subscribe, like the video, and continue watching. So we want to thank the management of the School of Hygiene in Bale District, the eastern part of Uganda, for trusting us with your backyard. We know we can't wait to do more great things for you. We love you so much. We appreciate the principal and all the people. Yeah, this is beautiful and unique. I know more are yet to come. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and keep watching. Anytime soon I will show you a video of how we handed over this garden and the school has already started eating. And if you would want to have these gardens in your compound, in your school, in your hotel gardens, you can contact me. My number is on my bio. Go check it out. WhatsApp me, call me, and we shall be ready to serve you. We go to every place in the country. So we shall show you the before and after of this place, before we established these kitchen gardens and before we furnished and painted these buckets, how everything looked like. Bye.